All data collected by Azure Monitor fits into one of two fundamental types, metrics and logs. This lecture describes metrics. Azure Monitor metrics are numerical values that describe some aspect of a system at a particular time. These metrics are collected at regular intervals and are useful for alerting because they can be sampled frequently and an alert can be fired quickly with relatively simple logic. You can use the Metrics Explorer to analyze collected metrics on a chart and compare metrics from different resources. You can configure a metric alert rule that sends a notification or takes automated action when the metric value crosses a threshold. Use auto-scale to increase or decrease resources based on a metric value crossing a threshold. You can also route metrics to Azure Logs to analyze data in Azure Monitor metrics together with data in Azure Monitor Logs and to store metric values for longer than 93 days. You also have the ability to stream Azure Monitor metrics to an event hub in order to route them to external systems. In another course, I will describe the Azure Events Hubs feature in the context of Internet of Things. Data collected by Azure Monitor metrics is stored in a time series database which is optimized for analyzing time-stamped data. The properties associated with each metric are the time the value was collected, the resource the value is associated with, a namespace that acts like a category for the metric, a metric name, and the value itself. There are three fundamental sources of metrics collected by Azure Monitor. Once these metrics are collected in the Azure Monitor metric database, they can be evaluated together regardless of their source. Platform metrics are created by Azure resources and give you visibility into their health and performance. Each type of resource creates a distinct set of metrics without any configuration required. Platform metrics are collected from Azure resources at 1 minute frequency unless specified otherwise in the metrics definition. Guest operating system metrics are collected from the guest operating system of a virtual machine. You enable guest operating system metrics for Windows virtual machines with Windows Diagnostic extension. The Azure Diagnostic extension is an agent within Azure that enables the collection of diagnostic data on a deployed application. You enable guest operating system metrics for Linux virtual machines with Influx Data Telegraph agent. Telegraph is the open source server agent to help you collect metrics from your stacks, sensors, and systems. Application metrics are created by Application Insights for your monitored applications and help you detect performance issues and track trends in how your application is being used. This includes such values as server response time and availability. Custom metrics are metrics that you define in addition to the standard metrics that are automatically available. You can define custom metrics in your application that's monitored by Application Insights or create custom metrics for an Azure service using the Custom Metrics API.